Hey, welcome back again to Dark Graphics, and in today's tutorial I'll actually be showing you how you can save your designs for print. So it's going to be really fun, guys. I just want to say thank you so much for being very supportive, and if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get into it. So here, guys, we are in and this is my design. I have everything kept like here clean. I have the social media buttons, I have the text, and I have actually the image and the design and the background, and everything is just nice kept. So we are actually gonna export this for print. So the first thing I want to do is I actually want to save my design as a PSD. Actually, my computer crashes a lot, and you might lost everything you just did. So you have to save it as a PSD, and a PSD is a Photoshop document file. It allows you to access it later on, and it keeps all the layers, the text, the colors, the fonts, and you can actually update it, or you can actually do a couple of stuffs with a PSD document. So I'm gonna save this as a PSD. So I'm just gonna go to File and Save As, and I actually have a lot of PSD files in here. I'm just gonna save it in right here. So I'm just gonna save this as salad, give it a name, is salad poster, and you can see here the type as it came as a PSD. This is a Photoshop document. You actually just want to keep it as a PSD. So we're gonna save that, and maximum capability, just check this, and it's actually saving down here, and our poster is now saved as a PSD. So you can see up here is given it a name that we just saved it. Now we are actually good to go. Even if the computer crash, you can just later on access it, and everything will be good to go. Now we want to save this for print. If you want to save this for print, actually there's a couple things you have to change, and once I come up here, you can see that this file is actually RGB color mode. So we have to change this to CMYK for print. CMYK is the standard color mode for print, actually. So we're just gonna do that right now. So just come to edit, then scroll down to convert to profile, and we're actually gonna convert this to CMYK, then click on OK. So our poster is now CMYK colors, and once you come up here, you can see it's now CMYK. Now this is actually ready to save for print. So saving it for print, just come up to File, and we're gonna click Save As. We're gonna choose to Photoshop PDF, and just gonna give it a name and click on Save. Click on OK. It will bring up this dialog box. So to Adobe PDF, please just choose to high quality print, and the standards, keep it to 2001. It's actually the standard it has to be kept as. PDF X18 2001, and you can actually do a couple stuffs right here, but I'm not gonna go through all of this. And the compression, just leave all the settings as they are. Security, you can actually add a password to this file, and the summary. So just you gotta check the preset to high quality print, and just uncheck this preserve Photoshop editing capabilities. Just uncheck that, and as in security, you can add some password. You don't want this file to have any passwords. So it's done, and just click on save PDF, and it's actually done saving. And here's our file. Here's our file ready for print. So that's actually how you save this file to it's actually how you save your designs for print. Just make sure that the color mode is CMYK, and you save it as a Photoshop PDF. So that's how to do. Well, thank you guys, and if you like this video, let me know down in the comments below, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.